Hi guys, my name is Taro from Taro Taro, and this video is called the Beyblade Metal Fusion Battle. So, I'm gonna battle Burn Phoenix versus Storm Pegasus. I hate this. Ano ba another one? Okay, so let's do it. And 1-0 for Burn Phoenix. And that's mine. 2-0 for Burn Phoenix. So I'm gonna show you my play. He's there. Wants to play with me? Okay, play with me. He got my Pegasus. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner is Burn Phoenix. Let's go. He wants another battle, so let's give it. Oh my god. The winner, Pegasus. No, the winner is Burn Phoenix. He's lost. No, this is the Pegasus winner. Okay, so see you guys next. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Say goodbye, Jarin. Bye. Give me my base. Give me the base. Bye now. Bye.